Hi everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download PayPal app on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, also press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming update from us. If you want to quickly download PayPal application for your iPhone, then the process is quite simple. Simply turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data and make sure to get connected to one. Once you are, tap Open App Store in this search bar appearing on your App Store. Type in PayPal. Once you make a search, you'll be able to see PayPal application displayed on the next page. Tap the download button right next to the app in order to begin with the download. Now all you need to do is to wait for your application to be downloaded and installed on your iPhone. PayPal is a secure online payment system that allows you to pay for products online and send and receive money. You may use PayPal to make purchases online with participating stores. Once you link your bank account, credit card or debit card to your account, it acts as a go-between your bank and merchants, ensuring that your payment information is kept when the application gets downloaded. Tap on the Open button right next to it to launch the app open. And that is how you can easily get PayPal application downloaded on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.